What is up, guys? This is Austin from BioGenStudios, and I'm here with Brandon, and today we're playing White Noise.
This is an Xbox Live indie game. It's only $1. It's basically Slenderman for the Xbox.
It is creepy as fuck. As you can see, we are playing on this
Pick
in the
up
dark room.
flashlight and run.
Okay. Well, as you can see, we're off to a great start.
We're playing with all the lights off, so if we get the shit scared out of us, that's why.
Well, I'm pretty sure they can see that.
Oh yeah, I forgot we were doing that.
This is one of the rare occasions where you...
We'll actually see our faces. Feel free to hit us up, ladies.
Hey,
Don't know why I pointed at the mic. It's supposed to point up to you.
or you fellas out there,
Nope. Sorry. I don't swing that way, but
you can have the option.
we don't care if you do, but we just don't, you know.
Yeah, we're not that way. Or maybe Brandon is, but...
Oh, I thought you were gonna say you were. What if something like pops up on this, like in the video?
Winston?
Yeah,
Or your kid?
yeah, my cat. Oh, that looks promising. What is that?
That's a fucking...
Looks
penis.
like a.
It's like the hand of God.
Oh yeah.
Nope, just a bunch of rocks. Stacked. What the fuck does this thing look like?
What is what? The clues
Yeah.
or whatever? I'm not sure.
This is fucking making me, like, motion sick. I saw something.
Oh, there's a road.
Hey, fucking let's dips it out of here. Screw you guys, I'm going home.
Just hold on.
It's my jam. Alright, so...
Wow, look at that beautiful sky. You don't get that kind of sky in Slenderman.
Or games, but there's that random black ass
Yeah.
hole.
There's a black hole over the spot where you're at. So basically, you're gonna die.
Either way. That is the end of the fucking wall. So...
I wonder what the monster looks like. Because I mean, it can't obviously be Slenderman. That's copyright infringement or something. I don't know.
Who the fuck copyrights Slenderman, though? So many fucking games have been made about it. I don't think one person could copyright it.
That's true.
But we'll fucking see here, because I'm pretty sure we'll beat his ass. Or she.
We actually have a video of you playing Slenderman online, don't we? So if you guys want to go check out Austin getting the shit scared out of him.
That was not a fun day.
Yeah, it's on our channel. You can click right down there.
Somewhere down there. Where the fuck am I going? Oh, what the...
This looks promising.
Should I go touch his face?
Yeah, caress it.
Try my genitalia on it?
If there's not a clue here, then what are you gonna pick his nose for him?
I'm gonna suck his...
What?
What?
Alright, maybe there's a clue on this head. It's weird that we haven't seen any clues or the monster.
Bah. Bah.
Let's go that way. Oh, it looks promising.
Yeah. This is, pretty scary, I'd say.
Yeah, ooh, so scary. No, but when that guy jumps out at you, I will probably scream. Hey, look, it's a build.
Hey, that's me.
Wait, do you hear that?
I do. There's a bottle tap on his head. What the fuck is that?
Maybe, is there an entrance anywhere? Oh, yep.
Oh, fuck me.
Go ahead. It looks like one room.
Bah.
Wait, what is that on the... Oh, that must be the clue. Oh, that's... Okay, so when you hear that noise, Oh, fuck.
Shit.
Oh, what is that? Oh my god. Dude,
friend?
don't look at...
Come back.
What is that? That was a...
person just died in front of us or something?
We're in a really big room right now.
Yeah, I know.
It's kind of creepy.
Brandon is
No,
no.
don't turn around. Don't...
Oh!
Ooh.
Nope, 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 nope.
Oh, there he is. Turn.
Damn.
Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. What is that? Someone just coughed.
Fucking hell. It's
Go.
creepy.
Wait. Go to the graveyard on your left. On your left.
I don't want to fucking go to the graveyard. I don't want to die.
There might be a clue. See? Hear that?
No. What the fuck is it?
It's around here somewhere. I can hear it. Holy shit! You're dead already. You suck.
Took me 5 minutes to die.
You found one page in 5 minutes. What is special mode?
Pick up 4 more tapes.
Jeez. I need a minute.
And Brandon's fucking gone. I don't know if I want to keep. Yeah, I think I'll end it here. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll probably play this again. I don't know when, but if you liked it, just... Oh, hey, Brandon. Go piss your pants or something?
Yeah, I did actually.
Alright. Well, anyways, yeah, we'll see what